Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I will be showing you how to make some crunchy slime. Now make sure to subscribe down below and leave a like to see more videos like this one. So to make this crunchy slime, you're just gonna need to make some basic slime, and I'm gonna be adding a little bit of shaving foam because I only have like a little bit of shaving foam left in my shaving foam bottle, so that's why I'm gonna be adding some. And just mix that in, and now you're gonna have to activate your slime. You can use any slime activator. I am going to be using Tide, and make sure you add just a little bit of slime activator and make sure your slime is sticky so the beads will be able to stick to your slime. Now you're gonna need to get some beads, and I got my beads from the dollar store. It comes with 400 beads just for $1, and I used about half of the bead bag for my slime that I made, which I think is really, I can make another batch of crunchy slime. So after you have your beads in a bowl, you're just gonna get your slime and put it in. As you saw, my slime was a little sticky, and that's how your slime should be. Now you should add a little bit of beads at the bottom, then add your slime and add some more beads. So now you're just gonna knead those beads in, and I'll let you guys enjoy this satisfying bead mixing into slime. So I'll stop talking right now. So guys, I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time in another slime video. Bye!